join us for a day of fun, learning, and a whole lot of green. It's the second annual Earth Day event at Pine Township. We will be there with books celebrating the earth and educating our community about birds, bees, and butterflies, our pollinators. You can even make a dried flower bookmark at our booth to take home with you.
This is a day for the whole community.
Whether you're a student, a parent, or just someone who loves to celebrate our planet,
There's something for everyone at the Earth Day event.
we'll even be giving out reusable bags. They're bringing you a booth packed with cool games, fun activities, and wait for it, awesome giveaways.
Do you think you can beat your friends in an eco-friendly skee ball challenge we're building?
Or maybe you'll make your own upcycled, recycled outfit from shopping bags. Look at the sustainable masterpiece from last year.
Community members of all ages are invited to create their own fashion pieces from upcycled or recycled materials to put on display in the Pine Community Center or to wear to the event.
What could you make? The possibilities are endless.
But wait, there's more.
There'll be tons of other local vendors showing their amazing products.
Check out the Pine Township's website, sure to make your day extra bright.
And when you get hungry, don't worry, you don't need to bring anything. The food trucks are coming to the rescue with mouth-watering bites to keep you fueled for all the earth-loving fun.
Feeling creative? Bring your upcycled, recycled, or sustainability-themed art pieces to be featured.
We'll showcase the coolest eco-friendly art in Pine Community Center.
What sort of creation could you make? Here's a few inspiring ideas from our budding artists.
It's all about coming together as a community to learn, grow, and take action.
So don't miss out on this awesome day of fun, games, food, and earth-saving goodness. Join us Saturday, April 26th from 11:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. at the Pine Community Center.
Come for the fun, stay for the planet.
Let's make this Earth Day the best one yet. Hope to see you there.